Okay, this was the question here. And this is x to the power 6, all of this. This is I4. We want to have a relation between I4 and I3. And I have just written down here that what do we mean by I3? Here is a power 4, so this is I4. So when there's a power I3, then the power 3 is going to be there on this x1 plus x cubed. And this x to the power 6 needs to be the same. Whatever I3, I4, I5, whatever you have, okay? Now, we have done the first part of integration by parts here. We have kept this as u, and this is the v dash, okay? So this will be differentiated and this will be integrated. So we have done this. I just missed that 3x squared. So we have reached here. The problem is that how to bring in x to the power 6 here. We have x to the power 9 over here, okay? So what I will be doing over here is just look at this and try to understand what is happening here. 1 plus x cubed raised to power 4. Now I'm purposefully going to shift this minus inside with this x to the power 9. Okay, this is 1 plus x cubed to the power 3. Okay, and right now this is minus x is to the power 9 dx. So you see that both of these two terms are same. Now, to bring in x raised to the power 6, I'll be writing x raised to the power 6 over here. And I'll write minus x raised to the power 6 over here. That was the clue I was talking about, that when you do that, completing the square, so you add a number, you add a square, and then you subtract that as well, so that the term overall remains the same. So guys, look at this. You will have to go in this much detail, in this much depth of algebra. Okay? Just see that, like, you have x to the power 9, but you need x to the power 6 over here. So you see that what is this going to become now? This is going to be 1 over 7. I can apply the limits onto it if you allow me. But just for just a minute, I'm just going to keep it writing like this. Okay. Now, please tell me if I can really write it like this. 12 over 7. I'll keep this part together. This is going to be 1 plus x cubed to the power 3 into x raised to the power 6 dx. You see that? There is your I3. Then I'm going to take minus x to the power 6 common from them. If you have minus x raised to the power 9 minus x raised to the power 6. So what do you have if we can take minus x raised to the power 6 common from here. So you have x cubed plus 1. Yes? Kyun? I can write it like this. Yes? Yes? Okay. So this will be minus, because I'm taking a minus common from here. This is minus 12 over 7. And let me skip some steps here. You have this. So let me write it down just for once. This is 1 plus x cubed into x raised to the power 6. There is a power 3 and there is a power 1. Can I write the power 4 over here? Yes? Kyun bhai bachcho? This is being multiplied by this. Okay? And this is simplified to this over here. So when I multiply these two together, the power, there is power 1, there is power 3, the power becomes 4. So this is going to be, so do you follow this, Isha and Zenia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, this is going to become, let me change the color here. This is going to be I4. I'm going to put the limits here, 0 to 1. When I put 1 here, this is going to be 1 to 16 over 7. This is 16 over 7. And this is 12 over 7 I3 minus 12 over 7 I4. Okay? So I move this to the other side. This becomes 19 over 7 I4. These two are added together. Okay? So that is 16 over 7 plus 12 over 7 I3. So when I divide it with the 19 over 7, the other both the sides, so this I4 is going to be 16 over 19 plus 12 over 19 I3. So this ends over here.